I had heard about a band that was looking for a bass player, this band Luminescent Orchestrii. How did I get into that band, you might ask? Funny story. Jeff Pearlman, who's a clarinet player in New York, used to have these amazing parties when he lived in Bushwick, in East Williamsburg, Bushwick. So I coincidentally lived around the corner from him. My brother had just become friends with Jake Shulman-ment at that point in time. They were both students at NYU, and they met in some like bullshit, like feel how wonderful your body, roll around on tennis balls, and then write essays about it class. So they were rolling around on the floor in tennis balls and somehow became friendly. And then Jake and Avi were friends. Avi, my brother and I were living together in East Williamsburg at that point in time. And Jake said, hey, you know, there's this party around the corner, why don't you bring your instruments? So that's actually where I met a lot of the people who were involved in Balkan and klezmer music in New York. So I met Pete Reshevsky was there, maybe Jeanette Lewitsky was, I don't know, maybe she was there, maybe not. But a lot of people were involved in Balkan music. And so someone at the party remembered that I had played bass and sort of was able to follow along and said, oh, Benjy sounded pretty good. You should have him audition for Luminescent Orchestrii. So it happened to, the timing worked out perfectly, right when I got back from Argentina, January 2006. So I auditioned for the band a week later and learned the music. And their repertoire was primarily Balkan music and like some sort of, a couple of klezmer tunes, like sort of rocked out arrangements or something, I guess is what the guitar player in the band says.